Action.
Hi Pat. Hi Jamie. Grandpa in hospital. And the prayer that you said to God the other day, which I heard about, seems to have helped, because what's happened is I was told today by the doctors that my leg is looking much better than it was before. So it was a very nice thing for you to do for me. Thank you so much, Jamie, for thinking.
You gonna blow a kiss, Grandpa?
And I love you both very dearly. And Rena, I love you too. I'll see you soon.
And can you show them where their pictures are?
Yeah, look, Grandpa's got his pictures in. This is the hospital.
I know.
Look at that. Do you recognise those pictures, boys? Can you give him a smile, Grandpa? Can you give him a kiss?
Love you both, boys.
What about Jasmine?
Oh, and Jasmine. I can't forget Jasmine. I forgot about Jasmine, didn't I? Love you both, guys. Love you, and Vina, and I love you all. Take care.
Bye, Grandpa.
See you later, boys. Bye.